Want to build a highly profitable, faceless YouTube channel directly from your phone without buying expensive gear? Most creators get stuck because they think they need a $3,000 editing rig, professional lighting, and a lawyer to handle copyright strikes. There is a different path. You can manage a production workflow using just your smartphone and free AI tools to translate foreign cinema into engaging Hindi movie recaps. This chart compares standard vlogs to faceless recap channels. The traditional channels often stay flat, while recap channels can pull in massive view counts and significant ad revenue. Combining foreign content with these AI tools allows you to launch a channel without a camera, without a studio, or a high-end computer. Step 1 is sourcing your footage. Instead of Hollywood blockbusters, you will look for trending clips within the Chinese and other foreign movie markets. Once you identify a popular foreign clip, download the raw video file directly to your phone's local storage. To bypass automated identification, alter the file's metadata. First, flip the video horizontally. Scale it up by 10. You need to add cultural context and everyday slang so the story feels natural to a Hindi-speaking audience. Next, copy your localized script into a free AI voice generator on your phone and select a narrator voice that fits the movie's genre. This audio waveform shows how punctuation affects the output. Placing commas and periods forces the AI to create natural pauses, giving the narration a dramatic rhythm. These deliberate pauses, paired with localized language, help the narration sound like a human performance rather than a robotic text-to-speech file. Step 3 is assembly. Open your mobile editing app and set your project to a 9:16 vertical aspect ratio. Import your modified video clips and place the downloaded AI audio track onto the timeline directly beneath the footage. Now, you must ruthlessly slice out the boring moments to match your visual cuts perfectly to the fast-paced audio track. Once the sequence is tight, use the editor's auto captions tool to generate on-screen text for your dialogue. This mockup shows the most effective caption style. Use a bold font, bright yellow text, and a thick black outline to make it readable. Finally, review the audio track and delete any remaining gaps of silence. The pacing needs to be constant to maintain viewer retention. This combination of rapid cuts, localized audio, and vibrant text transforms scattered files into a singular, scroll-stopping piece of media. When you hit export, your high-momentum video is fully assembled and ready to launch straight from your mobile screen. Because you altered the metadata and visual footprint, the final file is now safe to upload to YouTube. Use a targeted metadata strategy. Include relevant tags like #movieshorts and #AImovie in both your title and description. To help the algorithm identify your audience, you must commit to a consistent daily upload schedule. By combining free AI tools with these specific editing techniques, you can build a high-output media channel using nothing but your smartphone.